What's up, little M's beauty babes? So right now I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial called Sunkiss Simple Glow Makeup Look. I'm all about the glow during the summer and the Sunkiss look and very light makeup during the summer. I'm not really the type to be too much unless I have like an occasion going on. But before I get started, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified when my videos. Comment what you guys think of the Sunkiss Simply Glow makeup look, and let's get this started. And yes, I gave myself a new hairstyle. Do something different for once. So the first thing, this is pretty much going to be a talk through. The first thing I'm going to use is my two different foundations. Rimmel London Clean Fresh foundation. So this is an oil free. Obviously, I've used so much of it. I barely have. And I also am going to be using LA Color True Matte Long Wearing High Pigmented Foundation. So I do like to wear foundation during the summer. Like, who doesn't? But I'm going to put some on my little hard brush right here. Mix it up. And then I'm going to put this on my face. So I just thought, yeah, let's do this, Haven't done a makeup look in a minute for you guys, so pretty exciting day. And I've been barely wearing makeup this summer. I've been more feeling like the natural mascara and glow look with a little blush. That's what I've been doing, in all honesty. Get under your neck. I'm trying to not hit my hair, guys. Obviously, you guys can see that, though. Alright, cools. Now, we're going to move on to concealer. I gotta buy new concealer. I'm running out. I'm like a shopper with makeup. Like, I don't buy like a bunch of mascaras, and I just kind of just do it the day of, and then whenever I run out, I run out. And I buy new. That's the type of makeup shopper I am. And I usually use drugstore the most. I'm not about the name brand, but I also am about the name brand. I'm not about the Naked and all that. Like, I have one palette with the Naked, but spending $60 on one palette is like crazy, Like, I ain't about spending $60 on one palette. Sorry, I'd rather buy 3 palettes for $60. Like the Morphe palettes, $23. I could pay that much and get 4 of them for $69, or 3 of them for $69. Like, I ain't spending no $60 on one palette, that's for damn sure. But as much as the makeup is so great and pigmented, like, I would love to do that, but I just can't afford that. Like, unless I have a good paycheck coming in all the time when I get a job. But other than that, like, I'm not spending no crazy money on makeup. I'm not a crazy makeup head. But I do enjoy doing it. So I'm going to put this prime base powder on my face. It's pretty much to keep my makeup on all day, looking cute. So, and it's like a nice color, so it's not even too dark. Okay, cool. Now, I'm gonna move on to the Sun-Kissed Glow highlight. So where's okay? So during the summer, I definitely like to glow, have a sun-kissed glow, look cute. You know, I'm all about looking cute, guys. I don't like to put too much on my face because I don't want to look orange, but alright. I also like to use this e.l.f. blush. I just recently got this, and it's like a nice shimmer and it has sparkles, so it's gonna really give that sun-kissed look. But I don't really use blush, but I've been into it, so actually I don't like that brush. It's like making it like powdery. So put some right there. Ooh, sun-kissed, yo. Alright. Alright, cool. Now I'm going to move on to my loose prime powder. I just like to put this above my cheekbones, like right here, just so the look stays all day. Well, we're gonna let that bake. Alright, cool. So we're gonna let that bake on my face. Oh no. Okay, I dropped my beauty blender. Whatever though. So now I am pretty simple with this look, guys. It's like really super simple. Okay, so for this look, I just like to use mascara and give myself a little bit of tint of eyeshadow. I don't have a brush on me, sadly, so I'm gonna go grab one. Okay, I got my brush, guys. So I'm gonna use the Naked 2 Urban Decay Basics. So I'm gonna use it light colors just because I want this to be a really soft look and a simple glow. So we got the loose powder under it. Super simple, guys. Super simple. We're gonna give this look. So we want to make this look simple and cute at the same time. You know? Okay, cool. So I don't know if you guys can see what I did, but the light is way too bright. So that's pretty simple for me. Okay, now I'm just gonna take off the loose powder and just wipe it off. Okay. So now I got my Naked 2 Urban Decay also, and I want to give myself a little glow on my eyebrow bone and my inner corner of my inner eye. Because, we got this as a glow makeup look. So why not put glow makeup look on your eyes? You know what I mean? Okay. Now we're gonna just put a little bit on your eyebrow bone. Nothing crazy, guys. Nothing crazy. Alright. So there's the glow. Put a little more. I love a good glow. Alright. I also like to, where is it? I also like to use this brush and just give myself a little glow in the cheeks. Even though I just used some. But I like to glow, girls. Glow. Sun-kissed glow. That's what we like. Yes. Yes, honey, yes. Ooh. That is a poppin' ass look. Alright. Last but not least, I like to put mascara on. So I'm gonna put this up close. Make sure they're not sticking together, guys. Because we don't need that type of look. Alright, let me put this down for a second. Oh, I looking cute, guys. It's like kind of hard to like. Oh, I got some on my eyebrow. That's okay though. You see that glow? Oh my god. That's a beautiful ass glow. Okay, so we're just gonna put a little more because we want your eyelashes to look poppin'. A very simple summer look, guys. Not too heavy on the face, but also looking cute. You know what I mean? Okay. Now, last but not least, we are going to put some lip, what is this? I think this is like a lipstick, but like in like a stick. It's supposed to make your lips a little bigger when you use something like this. Okay. Cool. And last but not least, we're just gonna wipe off whatever got on the bottom of my face, So this is the simple glow look, guys. Let me get out of the light to show you. This is the simple glow look. Ooh, there we go. This is the simple glow look. Looks very pretty. I like it. Super cute, super simple. But let me show you a little closer. Yes, hunty. My hair looks cute. I'm looking like a snack. You know? Looking like a snack, guys. Looking like a snack. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Comment what you guys think of this simple makeup look. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.